Life in the void, what you will need to do. Of course, you will need a house, so you can hide from the monsters outside. This one looks nice. Next, we need to check the house.to make sure there is no creatures lurking in the shadows. These rooms are so beautiful, so lovely. Oops, the system is glitching. That is fine, let's continue. Wow, look at the yard. It looks so wonderful. But we must be careful. Things may lure you into a trap. Look at the pretty sky. Look over there. What a beautiful flower. If you're a girl, you would wear things like this. And if you are a boy, you'd wear something like this. It seems like our system is failing. Tune in next time for tips and tricks.